Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on our HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can stop voice assistant in OnePlus phone. So as you can see, my Talkback or voice assistant or voice guidance is enabled currently.
Camera, Chrome, messages, phone, messages, unlabeled, Play Store, Google search button, double tap to activate.
And in order to turn it off, you just gotta simultaneously press volume up and down buttons like that for 3 seconds. And as you can see, the message pops up that the voice assistant or the talkback option was successfully turned off. Alrighty, so that will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.